So today is Wednesday. I'm about to break my fast. It is 7:30. I'm not as, well, I'm hungry now, but yesterday I had to break my fast early because I was starving. And that, what I broke my fast with, I was still hungry after that. So I decided to add a little bit more fat. I decided to add another ounce of avocado. So this is 3 ounces of avocado. You have some mozzarella and tomato salad right here. I seasoned it with, what did I see? Italian seasoning and a little bit of sea salt, pink Himalayan sea salt. And then I put a tad bit of this soy sauce on here. As you can see, it's low in carbs. And I just put a dash, not a whole lot, because as you can see, it's a small salad. This is the mozzarella I used. And this is 2 ounces right here, mozzarella. So it's like balls. They like these balls right here, and I believe the balls are like 2 ounces each. And then a smidget of honey I put on it, just a smidget. And then I have my olives. I already showed that. So this is my Wednesday's meal break. My turkey that I use, and some Boar's Head Chipotle Gouda. And then for dinner, I'm gonna have a microgreen salad with cucumbers and onions. I already prepped it. I also prepped my fish. This is a 6-ounce piece of halibut, marinated with avocado oil, some minced fresh garlic, and then my seasonings that I use: pink Himalayan salt, adobo seasoning, and all seasoning. And I just put it in here and mix it up. So I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator until I get ready to cook it, and I'm gonna pan fry it in some ghee, just maybe like a tablespoon of ghee. And then I have some collard greens on the stove, so that is gonna be my dinner. And then, you know, my usual snacks right after dinner. I have an ounce of pistachios and then my yogurt with my blueberry fruit compote. So I will be back. Hello, happy hump day. I'm back. These are just some meal ideas for people with keto, and especially if you have kids. This was one of my favorite meals when I came across it. Was sausage. This right here is beef kielbasa with some Italian chicken sausage. I used to put white rice with it because it's good. And then you got peppers and onions right here. And then right here is it's supposed to be a tomato, onion, cucumber salad. But I added in mozzarella because it needs to be used by today. And all you need to do is cut up your onions, tomatoes, and cucumbers. And if you want to add mozzarella to it, you can. This is totally keto. You put your keto mayo and maybe like a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I also use to season this salad supreme, but if you just want to use sea salt, you can do that too, and season it to your taste and mix it up. And you know, you have this salad right here that's totally keto. Sausage is totally keto. I've showed sausage that was uncured, sugar-free as well by, I think it's called Garrett's Valley or something like that, if you don't want to use regular sausage. But and then you got your peppers and onions sauteed, you know. And then as far as like, if you feed your kids rice, you can put some rice with this, and you got your whole meal. If you are keto and you don't eat rice, maybe cauliflower mash, I don't know, cauliflower stir fry, you can put with this. That's like rice. So just be a little bit creative with that. Hello. I'm about to break my fast. It is 6:19. I've been fasting ever since about, I want to say 10:30 last night. So I got some Boar's Head Chipotle Gouda. That's 1 ounce. I cut it into 6. And then I have some turkey breast, oven roasted turkey breast. It's 6 pieces. some olives with the seed in it, and avocado. I made like a little guacamole with some adobe seasoning, Italian seasoning, a little bit of garlic, lemon juice, and just mixed it up. And so this is the turkey that I'm using. It's called True Story Oven Roasted Turkey. It comes in a pack like this. There's 4 of them in a pack. I got this from Sprouts. You can see right here, they have their little True Story. This is the nutrition facts. For each packet is 35 calories, 7 grams of protein. So it's a good snack to break your fast with. This is what it looks like on the front. No nitrates or nitrates added. You see olives, cheese, avocado. These are tomatoes. So, and then these are the olives that I got is in water. So, and this is the nutrition facts. You can see 2 olives, 20 calories, 2 grams of fat, no saturated, 0 carbs, no protein, just a little fat. So I have 5 olives here. And you can see the ingredients: olives, water, sea salt, lactic acid, ascorbate acid. I'm thinking that's for the preservatives. And I got all of this from Sprouts. So, and this is what I seasoned my avocado with. Fresh garlic, lemon. And then I have my ice water with lemon wedge. I already drunk one of these, and so I just filled it back up with water. It's a 32-ounce cup, I believe. So here we are again. And so until dinner, see you later. Hello, this is my dinner. I have a hamburger patty. I think it's a Western cheese and bacon, something like that, burger. I have 2 ounces of avocado on top with about a teaspoon of A1 steak sauce, a cauliflower stir fry, and some spinach sauteed with onions. And then I got my water right here. So after this, I have my yogurt with my fruit compote and my pistachios, and that'll be it for the night. It is 8 o'clock on the dot. Let's see the steam coming from that. I did mix a tablespoon of MCT oil in the cauliflower rice, and I sauteed the spinach and onions and cauliflower rice with ghee, grass-fed ghee. The burgers, I put it in the oven. So, have a good night. Hello. I'm having dinner. Had a long day today. I broke my fast with a Chipotle black bean burger from AJ's. I had to take my car in unexpectedly. I went in to work out this morning, came out to my car, and when I tried to auto start it, it wouldn't start. So when I got in my car, all the lights had went out. I started my car, all the lights on the dashboard had went out except for the check engine. So being that I was out that way, I had to take my car to the dealership, in which I was there for a long time because apparently these flaps that are in the grill of the car, it helps to control heat or cool off the engine. Mine was stuck 3/4 of the way open, and I guess when I went to start the car, they wouldn't move, which singled my car for the check engine light to come on. And $716 later, coming home, I had to cook, so I made me some salmon. I made a lemon cream sauce and pasta for my kids. I just drizzled some of the lemon cream sauce over it, with some sauteed spinach and some broccolini. And it's 7:45, so I haven't eaten since about maybe 1:30 or so. And then I got my sparkling mineral water with some lemon that I'm gonna sip on for the rest of the night. I'm gonna take my shower and get under the bed because I am so tired. But today was a great workout back with Christina. As I told y'all, if she has a YouTube channel during the quarantine, she was giving free workouts, and it was basically her workouts that you have to pay for in the studio. She's a weightlifter and a spin instructor, and my goodness, let me tell you, she is one of the best when it comes to spin instructing. She has a body to die for, but she's very motivational, and I truly suggest that you go and hit that sister up if you can't afford to go and pay for the gym, because these gyms could be expensive. You know, some of them are like $200 a month, you know, $180 a month for you to go unlimited, and shoot $150 for you to maybe go 2 times a week. So that's very generous of her to give out her programs that she does for the same for the people that pay. If you got a bike at home, she also has weightlifting on her channel. So if you got some weights and bands and all that at home, hit her up. Christina Girod, Girod, Christina with a K. I'll put her YouTube channel in the description box in case y'all want to go check her out. But yeah, she the best of the best. So I'm gonna eat my dinner, take my shower, and get in the bed. Y'all have a good night and be safe out there. Peace. Hey everybody. So it is 10:43 at night. This is my dinner. This is all I had for today. I have not eaten today. Just drunk my sparkling mineral water with some lemon, which I put it in a cup right there. Y'all, I was planning on I'm gonna start doing a Mediterranean keto diet, and I was gonna start tonight. I just wanted to have something light because I've been eating kind of junky, you know, for the past couple of weeks off and on. So I was just gonna fix me an egg and cheese with some spinach, you know, avocado on the side, my yogurt. And I forgot my spinach when I went to the grocery store. I drove up and down the strip, and every doggone grocery store and store was closed. I did not know they put us on a curfew at 8 o'clock starting today. So I wasted all that time, and when I came home, I just said, bump it, I'm gonna make me egg, cheese, and bacon and put it on one of these bagels. So this is what it looks like. It's Munster cheese in here, toasted bagel, and then I got my homemade yogurt with my blueberry fruit compote mixed in. So as I told y'all, the yogurt will thicken up when it sits in the refrigerator, when you put it in the refrigerator. So when I took it out, it was really thick. So I was happy about that. So so basically this is my meal for Sunday night. My kids had I fixed salmon. I didn't want that again. I wanted to eat light, and so this is what I got: bacon, egg, and cheese on a bagel. Peace out. Have a good night.